Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
There are different types of concepts that we are working on. First, we have the development of color concept, right? Different kinds of colors which we see. Although a child is able to understand and look at, differentiate different colors, but they do not know that what is red, what is green. They do see the colors, but they are not able to understand that. Color discrimination comes earlier than naming, thus indicating that verbal symbols are learnt later than the color concept which is developed earlier. Usually when you see a child, when you show the child colorful things, that child becomes more happy. He or she will look at the colors and will be amazed by those colors. So this shows that you are able to understand the color better. A child is able to distinguish red from green, but they do not know the names. Names come later on. So names only come when the verbal symbols are there, when language is developed. So obviously colored concept comes first and then comes the language. Development of space, distance and position concepts. Concept of space, distance and position is another important development that an individual goes through. It involves space orientation, understanding of the relative position and distance of the objects, right? Space, where how much space is there, what is this around you, whether the space is more or less, where the position is there, where the laptop is kept, where the tab is kept, this position orientation, and the distance of the object. How far is the camera from me? Right, that is the distance which I am able to perceive. All these three are also the concepts which are developed in a child early on. First, let's talk about position concept. Within the space concept comes the position concept, where the judgment has to be made about the position of an object. Let's say there is a child in a crib, right? Over here, this crib is the space. Within the crib, there is the child, right? And then there is a teddy bear. Teddy bear is the child's toy. So where the teddy bear is, this is the position and this is the space concept. How much space that child has and how far is the teddy bear. So this is the space position concept, and this comes under space. So how space is there, how much space is there, and where all the things are. These are how both of these concepts are associated.